Looking for the best windshield repair kit? Today we're reviewing the top picks that are getting amazing reviews on Amazon. At number 1, we have the Rain X 7001 windshield repair kit. Quick and easy durable resin-based windshields. Repair kit for chips and cracks, good for round damage below 1 in diameter and cracks smaller than 12 in length. Priced at NA with 4.0 stars, this product offers excellent value. At number 2, we have the Windshield repair kit, upgraded windshield chip repair kit for chips, cracks, and bullseyes instant fix. Long-lasting high-pressure resin injection glass repair kit for gone cracks, dark orange. Priced at $15.99 with 5.0 stars, this product offers excellent value. At number 3, we have the 2-pack polyurethane windshield adhesive, quick curing and weather-resistant auto glass adhesive, vertical and overhead application, windshield repair kit with gloves, applicator tip and cartridge, 300 ml. Priced at $27.99 with 4.7 stars, this product offers excellent value. At number 4, we have the windshield repair kit for quick DIY repair of small chips and cracks. Resin fills damage to improve clarity and reduce visibility. Suitable for bullseye, star, and minor damage. Easy. Home use. Priced at $9.99 with 4.1 stars, this product offers excellent value. At number 5, we have the Calvana 1FL Diodes windshield primer, urethane primer for automotive, promotes adhesion of polyurethane sealants, UV resistant, fast drying with 1 pair gloves, 2 applicator sticks, black. Priced at $18.99 with 4.8 stars, this product offers excellent value. At number 6, we have the 18 PC's professional kit with air wedge pump. Priced at $40.99 with 4.3 stars, this product offers excellent value. At number 7, we have the by.RHO window screen repair kit tape. Black XL 15FT, 3-layer strong adhesive and waterproof fiberglass, covering wire mesh repair for window screen and screen door tears holes. Screen repair kit. Priced at NA with 4.4 stars, this product offers excellent value. At number 8, we have the Permatex 0903 Automotive Windshield Repair Kit for chipped and cracked windshields. Permanent. Airtight repairs with repair syringe and plunger 9-piece kit. Priced at NA with 4.0 stars, this product offers excellent value. At number 9, we have the Windshield Chip Repair Kit. 2 PCS windshield crack repair kit with suction cup curing light, car automotive nano fluid vehicle windscreen tool, glass repair kit for chips and cracks, bullseye sunset. Priced at $24.99 with 3.8 stars, this product offers excellent value. At number 10, we have the Windshield Repair Kit, Rock Chip Repair Kit, Windshield Chip Repair Kit, 2 PC's Quick Fix car glass and cracks, Automotive Nano Fluid Windshield Crack Repair Kit, Azure. Priced at $14.99 with 5.0 stars, this product offers excellent value. That wraps up our top windshield repair kit review. Check the links in the description for the best deals.